A very good day to all. I'm LING. Number metric is S58398. In Taxation 2 assignment, we are required to create a partnership and company tax computation system using Excel software by utilizing its formula system. I've given the parts to create the company system with my group members. However, I'm going to show it later. And as for now, I'm going to explain the chosen company first. So I have chosen Farm Fresh Berhad as my company as they are resident in Malaysia and they have been manufacturing dairy products such as milk and water products in Malaysia for quite a long time. Here are the statement of profit or loss which I extracted from the annual report. Basically, is sales, cost of sales, gross profit, other income, and other expenses. And net profit before taxation is important for later tax computation. Here are some notes that I have taken and created to make sure the tax computation created more finish. Onto the tax computation system for company which I developed with my group members. The first thing we included is the company name and year of assessment which I have added as Farm Fresh Berhad in 2022. So here is the system that we have created, net profit or loss before taxation and some of the category that we included. For example, non-allowable expenses, capital asset expense off to profit or loss account, expense qualified for double deduction, revenue expense capitalized, non-taxable item credited to profit or loss account, and investment income that needed to be separately assessed, and others item. Then we got the adjusted income, statutory income, aggregate income, and chargeable income to calculate the tax payable. To calculate the tax payable, we obviously have to do the tax computation system here first by putting all the data here into the system. Very easy, we click on the cell and put in equal sign. Then we go to the data and find the related item which is net profit before taxation and put in enter and it automatically came here. And next we're just going to put in all the others. We just have to link all the others item with the data. So for depreciation, it's here. As for general provision, since I don't have any provision, so I'm going to put in dash. Audit fee. Entertainment for client is 50% non-allowable, so I'm going to find the entertainment fees and multiply by 50%. So, donation, since I have two donations, so I'm going to add both together. Amortized cost I don't have. Renovation cost I don't have too. As for approved training fees and remuneration for handicapped employee is qualified for double deduction, so later I'm going to deduct twice later on. So training fees and remuneration for disabled employee. Okay. Interest expense on finance and lease rental I don't have. Some of the item here in the system is actually for my group members, so they have the item I don't have and I don't have the item they have. Actually, some of the item here in the system is for my members, so they don't have the item I have and they have the item I don't have. So next, onto the gain on disposal of PPE. Here I got the profit on sales for PPE. I don't have the gain on disposal on long-term investment, so dash. Sorry. Registration, trademark, foreign exchange, and lease contract I also don't have, so I put in all the enter. Okay. As for the income from other section, we have to deduct first. So rental income I don't have. I got the dividend income. Interest income I don't have. As for EPF, it's a bit complicated, so we need to use the EPF calculation. So we put in the staff remuneration first and the salary for disabled employee. So with this calculation, is automatically calculate the EPF, 19% EPF for me. And for EPF contribute for the year by the company is actually 1,572,000. Therefore, it's actually exceeded the 19%. And we can see here EPF that exceed 19% of the staff remuneration is not allowable expense. Here, the system already calculated for us. This is the excess, so we need to is considered as not allowable expense, and we already link it to the system here. So we just need to key in all the item here, and it will calculate the not allowable expense for the EPF here. And contribution of to the charity I don't have. Okay, so after we key in all the item here, it automatically helps us to calculate the total and the adjusted income. So next we just go on to the balancing charge, capital allowance, and balancing allowance. So balancing charge is, and for the capital allowance unabsorbed is 6,000, and the current year is 1,567,000. As for balancing allowance, I don't have. So okay. After keying all the item here, it's automatically calculate the statutory income here, as you can see the formula here. So adjusted income plus balancing charge, deduct all the capital allowance. So we got the amount here. Then we have to add back the section 4C and 4D income into the tax computation. If you got the section E or F, you also have to include it. So I got the dividend income right here. Okay. And we got the aggregate income. Then we have to less the approved donation. So approved donation is actually restricted to 10% of the aggregate income. However, since our donation is actually 860,000 and 500 is approved, you can see donation to Yayasan Didi Negara. So only this approved and this is not approved. So and it's less than the 10% aggregate income. So I just want to put in 500,000. Yeah. Okay, right here. And as for approved training, I'm just put in the approved training amount. As for the corporate zakat, is restricted to the 2.5% of aggregate income. So let's check whether the zakat that paid by the company is more than or less than. So it's actually more than, so we're just going to use the 2.5%. Okay. Then after everything, every item, let me check. So I got some mistake up here, but it's okay, it's easily fixed. And yeah, okay, so it calculate the chargeable income for me right here. For the tax payable, we actually got two scenarios, which is one is pay up capital is less than 2.5 million. If in that situation, we got two tax rate. First 600,000 is 17% and the excess is 34%. And the second scenario is where pay up capital is more than 2.5 million and the tax rate is only 34%. So since our pay up capital is unlimited, so we're gonna use the tax rate of 34% only. So as you can see here, it tally up, which is 6,208,000 tax payable that need to be paid by the company of Farm Fresh. So that's all for the tax computation, and yeah, it's very simple with using this system since it's already put in all the formula and they just calculate the adjusted income, statutory income, aggregate income, and chargeable income for us. And with the EPF calculation and tax payable calculation, it's very simple. And that's all. Thank you.